Okay, there are two places here and here that the engine hangs from. And it has these bushings. This is a brand new one. This is the outer bushing here, okay? And it goes in that hole. And then the inner bushing here, this will have two O-rings, one here and here, and then we're gonna put a bunch of grease in here, moly grease. And in fact, this grease here, maybe not in the big tube, but this MolyKote BR2 Plus grease is what Honda recommended for this scooter. It was done. So it comes in a tube too, apparently. But okay, but this is the way it's supposed to work, like that, going in there with two O-rings. You can see this one here is my old one, and these O-rings were like rock hard, and it was just the other one that I took out. This wouldn't even slide in the outer bushing at all. It was just all jammed in there, completely one unit. So in Randy's Tech Tip number 35, he talks about how to get these outer bushings out if you want to do it. And I'm going to show that here. Basically, I took off the O-rings off of this inner one, and we're going to pound this outer one here out. So this one normally would fit in the bushing on this side, like that. But what we're doing is we're going to turn it around. We're going to put it inside the other one, and it fits in there just fine. Then we're going to take a steel bar, come into it from this side here, and then strike against the top of that one. And it takes a little bit of pounding. Okay. Move the tube there a little bit. It looks like it's pounding this tube. So, thank you, Randy, for teaching us how to do that. But there's the outer bushing. We use the inner bushing to knock it out with. And you can see it's just like all corroded crap in there. Okay.